Good morning, sir. How may I assist you, sir? Oh, thank you very much, sir. Yes, actually, I ordered from Amazon. It doesn't cost that much. I really love it, and it's just to have a change. So, thank you. Yes, yes, I love it. Oh, yes, sir. Yes, sir. Last week I was so busy. I got a lot of things to do. It was very busy week. Yeah, last week you told me yes. However, I have completed. I made the booking already, and later I will send you the email about this ticket booking as well. I handle it with care, so the job was done. Yes, last week I was doing a lot of things. For example, I went to shops to some research where it's cheaper to buy the rice, and I also busy with the schedule with the domestic helper. Like April was, she's always very demanding and tricky. I was busy with a new gardener. The gardener was not doing very well. Etc. Yeah, so I was so busy. However, I have completed the task which you asked me to do so, sir. Oh yes. That's all I want to report, sir. Good morning, sir. How may I assist you, sir? Thank you very much for your compliment, sir. Yes, sir. I have already completed the booking, and I have also sent you the itinerary of it as well, sir. Thank you very much, sir. I wish you have a wonderful day.